Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening settings. Tap Wi-Fi to begin changing network preferences. You need to turn Wi-Fi on if it is off, then scan and select the network you want. Once done, enter the password carefully or choose WPS where supported and confirm connection. Make sure you see the connected status and signal bars before moving on. This ensures the phone communicates with the router and avoids wasted steps later. Next, go to SIM and network or mobile network to set cellular options. This is where APN and preferred network types live. You will edit or add an APN entry. Fill name, APN, MMSC, proxy, port exactly as your carrier specifies, because small differences block data. Once done, select the new APN and set preferred network to 4G/3G/2G as needed. Make sure to toggle mobile data. Finally, open advanced settings for private DNS, IP type, and proxy options to fine-tune connectivity. Switch between DHCP and static IP when required and input addresses correctly. If issues persist, reset network settings to default to remove misconfigurations, but note this deletes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairs. Once done, restart your phone and router to refresh connections. If problems continue, check carrier status and SIM placement as one troubleshooting tip before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.